Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to review the Colourpop Proceed with Caution palette, and this is a collab with Makeup by Shayla. I absolutely love her. This is one of the 9-pan palettes. As you can tell, oh, mine's messy. I know the lights make it look good, but mine is messy. I mean, I've been really enjoying this palette. I really like this palette. It's a neutral palette, but a little bit bolder. I recommend this if you're into neutrals but you want a little something more adventurous. I think this would be perfect for you. I see this working for every skin tone. It's so beautiful. They got some pressed glitters. Everything just works so good. And personally, I really like how it is a matte black, but it's got glitters in it. I personally really love that. It's actually one of my favorite shades because it's kind of like I put it on the outside of the V and it has a little bit of glitter and it gives it a little something. The Caution one is awesome. Having this yellow, I loved it the other day. Pack this on with a flat shader brush. Do a little bit of Caution. Guys, it will look so cool with the yellow and black look. I wasn't expecting to like it, but I thought it looked so cool. I did a nice winged liner. It looked awesome. So I highly recommend this palette. I think it's great. Every collab so far that she's done with them has been awesome. I hope she does more with them because I really love the palettes that she does with them. So highly recommend this. I think a lot of people will enjoy this and it's really worth the money. Again, you get a mirror on this. You got shade names on the back and on the underneath the eyeshadows themselves. But cute, compact, snaps closed. Awesome, perfect. You can put it in your bag. So definitely recommend this all around. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. So I find it to be worth the hype and I would definitely recommend you guys checking it out. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me. So thanks guys. Bye.